Make all of your dreams come true with Google's new Nano Banana. I've heard so much about this new image generator, image editor. Apparently, it's so good that it can replace Photoshop, and we're going to be exploring so many features today. So first, let's hop into Google AI Studio so we can use Nano Banana. Okay, let's test this out. The first image I wanted to generate is a picture of me on the Salt Lake in Utah. I was just floating there. Yes, this is a way for me to show off my vacation pictures. But I want them to put a crocodile swimming towards me in the background and about to attack me. So let's see what I can do. So something that I did not know is that they have safety features here. So I just took off all of the safety features. And let's run this again. Okay, so this is what it created for me. It's not the most realistic. They pretty much just put this picture of a crocodile. I mean, I guess from a distance maybe, but they didn't really blend it in well. So I would not say this one is that successful. Let's try another one. Put me and Manny Pacquiao together in a boxing ring, surrounded by hundreds of cheering crowd members. Okay, that's not really me though. But that is Manny Pacquiao. And it says Pacquiao versus Ugas in the back. So, I think it needs a better picture of me. Okay, so Nano Banana is supposed to be really good at putting two people together. So let's try that. So I have this image that I took a while ago with, yes, the one and only Adam Bobrow. And I've never been able to meet my idol, Ma Long, before in person, in real life. So I want Nano Banana, to put a picture of me and Ma Long together, keep the original background of the second picture, and just replace Adam Bobrow with Ma Long from the first image. Sorry, Adam. So it did not seem to work. It just spat out the second image I put in. So maybe it's not able to recognize names because I just said this and this, replace Adam Bobrow with Ma Long. So maybe it wasn't able to recognize who, the people I was mentioning. So let's try something different. Put these two people together about to play table tennis in the Olympics. And I put two different images. Okay, this is hilarious. So this is what it gave me. Alright, first of all, it got the Olympics background right. I don't know what year that is. What is it? 2202? This is not Ma Long. I don't know what kind of grip that is. No one ever plays table tennis like that. I don't even think you can grip the paddle like that. And that is not me. For context, this is me. That right there is not me. I know we Asians all look the same, but that is not either of the people I put in. So, Nano Banana, you are not impressing me right now. It's got some rough edges to work out. Okay, so we saw what it can do adding something onto a picture. Now let's see how well it does at removing something from a picture. So here's me, and I want it to remove the phone from my hand and remove the hat from my head. So let's see if Nano Banana can do that. Oh, honestly, it did a pretty good job, I would say. Yeah, the phone's not in my hand anymore. It kind of got my haircut right. And it just filled in the remainder of the and it even made my hand not awkwardly just like that. Okay, I'm pretty impressed. I like this one. Something that I forgot to mention is that Google actually provides you with a bunch of helpful prompts for image editing and image generation. So I'm going to leave this link in the description so you guys can use these prompts. We can actually change locations too. So I can say change the location, put this person on top of Mount Everest. Okay, and here I am, not on top of Mount Everest, but I'm somewhere in the Himalayas of Mount Everest. Probably not dressed for the conditions, but it did what I told it to. Okay, so here I am at the Bonneville Flats in Utah. Very beautiful. Kind of looks like Kind of looks like Antarctica, but it's actually just all salt, dried up salt from the lake. I want them to put a polar bear in the distant background and make the setting at sunset. And wow, this is what it gave me. This is great. There's a polar bear in the background. The background looks surprisingly so well done. Like, that's beautiful. It's even got the coloration and the shadows and everything right. I love this image. This is amazing. It didn't change anything about me in the foreground, but wow, the coloration, it did a great job. Okay, so you can also use Nano Banana to make professional headshots and professional profile views of you. So here I said remove the background, fix the color grading, and make this into a professional model profile view of me. Oh wow! Oh wow! That's amazing. This is a better shot than I could take. Look at this. Wow. And now I'm gonna put this person on the front cover of People Magazine's The Most Sexiest Man Alive. Shout out to Matt Wolf for giving me all of these ideas. I love his YouTube channel. Go check it out. I just wanted to try all of these myself and see the results. Oh wow, and there I am, the sexiest man alive. Okay, so the next thing I did was put this person onto the next Avengers movie poster, make him into a superhero surrounded by other Avengers, and make him do a sexy pose. Okay, so apparently that is me on the next Avengers Eternity Fall. And my name is Chris Chen. That's a little racist. that's a little racist, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, at least it does have like the core. Wait. Why is there 2 Black Widows and 2 Thors? At least they have Captain America, right? And I look like Shang-Chi, and the villain is Black Panthers or something in the back. This is too funny. It doesn't even have a release date. But honestly, Avengers Eternity Falls, that's not a bad title. But yo, that's not me. That's Shang-Chi right there, starring Chris Chen. Oh my gosh, I can't get over that. That's so funny. Okay, now let's try something else. I'm gonna take this image that we have here, and I'm gonna say, put me into the future, futuristic and cyberpunk style, and then make me age 30 years older. Okay, so here's a futuristic style of me. Oh my gosh, is that what AI predicts I'm gonna look like? What in the world? I mean, enhancements are cool. I don't look bad. Don't look bad at all. Also, I just noticed that on this one it says man Mao. I don't know what that means. But if you guys are running low on tokens, you can just go to previous prompts and delete previous pictures. Like, just download those and then just delete them. And then you can free up space to get more tokens and do more prompts. Or you can pay the extra pricing. Okay, so now I want to try using some of Google's prompts that they give me. So there's the photorealistic one. You can make sticker styles. You can probably print those out too, make them into real stickers. You can help make logos and branding, product placement where you can control the lighting and background, minimalist art styles, comic arts, remove images, change colors, like we did that. I want to try this one where I'm able to change a picture into a style of another picture. Okay, so this was a picture I took a year ago. I was actually trying to mimic this one very famous meme. And I'm going to transform the provided photograph of the man in the suit into the artistic style of the cartoon second picture. Preserve the original composition, but render it with the style of image 2. And also let's see if we can transfer the butterfly into image 1. Okay, it's not very cartoony, but it did put glasses on me and it did do the butterfly transfer perfectly. We can do... I don't think I understood what I meant. Okay, so now I tried using this prompt where we're gonna try different outfits. So create an image by combining the elements from the provided image. Take the person from image 1 and give them the complete outfit from image 2. and the final image should be the first person wearing the clothes of the second person. Okay, that's strange. It gave me a really weird result. Like it took when I said first image, it probably mistook this one? So I don't think it was really clear on what I meant by first image. Image 1. I should have said this, whatever this one it was. But I mean, it did what it was told. It did put me in that outfit. It looks fine. Did a good job. Now I'm going to try completely clear out the background to be white and give me a wavy male K-pop hairstyle. What? That looks so goofy and photoshopped on. It just really doesn't match. Alright, so let's try this again. Create a new image by combining the elements from the provided images. Take the person from image 1 and give them the hairstyle of the person in image 2. The final picture should be person 1 in image 1 with a haircut of person from image 2. I think my hairstyle is a little bit better. I don't know why it gave me an earring. Oh, I guess this guy did have an earring. Okay, I see. I just said haircut though. I didn't say nothing about an earring. No, I think I'm gonna stay with my haircut then. We tried futuristic, so now let's try old-fashioned. Change the photo to an image that looks like it was taken in the 1950s. Make it black and white with some film grain. Change the man's outfit to look similar to what a man from that era would look like. I look ridiculous! What is this? Oh, I think it's just unbuttoned, but that looks so goofy. Oh, I'm glad I wasn't born in the 1950s. Okay, I have to try this. So we can make characters into animes, but I want to see if they can put me in a fight scene with Goku where I'm doing a Kamehameha and he's flying through it. So that's what I described. I drew it out in Canva. I know you can put stuff together in Canva. Using these two characters, generate a fight scene between me and Goku in the style of Dragon Ball Z. Have them doing the same actions and poses as the stick figures with me shooting a beam blast and Goku flying through it. Oh my gosh, there's no way! This is actually so solid. Look at the complete swag of this. This is, I didn't think that was actually gonna work. This turned out way better than I thought. Oh my gosh. We are living in incredible times, guys. Dangerous, but incredibly entertaining times. So this is also game changing in like the realm of design for architects, for engineers. Like I went and put in make the Burj Khalifa isometric, the skyscraper only, and be detailed. And this is what it makes for you. And then you could put this into something that can mesh it into 3D and then 3D print it too. What's even more amazing is that you can take images that you generate from Nano Banana and use them on other AI sites and make videos out of them. Like here, I generated myself into a Dragon Ball Z character and then I put it into Kling. And now I'm gonna want to make the character move his mouth like he is talking so he can do the outro for me. So like here is the result of the generated video from Kling AI doing the outro for me. This has been a pretty fun experience going through all of these Nano Banana features. We are only scratching the surface of things. Some things to be aware of is now you really cannot believe everything that you see. Before we had Photoshop, now we have Nano Banana. The lines between what is real and what people can create it's only at our fingertips now. Don't believe everything you see online. But this has been really fun. Like, subscribe for more AI tools and videos and awareness.